In this video, I'll tell you if doing MBA will have any impact on your life, your career, your growth, and if it's worth your money and time. So, for background, I chose commerce after my 10th standard and then I did my bachelor's in commerce. After completing my BCom, I researched on what I should do next and then I found MCom and MBA would be the best choices after BCom. I was having an internal debate whether I should do MCom and MBA, not because I was bad at studies, but I just found studying boring in general. Eventually, with the encouragement of my mom, I chose MBA and started getting ready for the entrance exams with my tuition teacher at the time. It was during COVID, so all the entrance exams were delayed a bit. I gave entrance exams like CET, CAT, NMAT, and XAT. The study material was more or less the same for all these exams, so I just had to go and give my best. Eventually, I used my Maharashtra CET exam results because I got a good percentile and also the results came out fairly quickly. And I also got a good college in Mumbai, so it all worked out. Then I finally started my MBA journey. It started online for a few weeks, but eventually we proceeded to the physical classes. And let me tell you, the online classes are nothing like the physical classes. Online classes felt sort of like a virtual reality game where you just kept your camera on, listened to the professors, and read presentations from your phone. Physical classes was when the real MBA started. During my MBA, I gave my first presentation in front of a big crowd. I worked on multiple projects with different teams. There were a lot of subjects and topics we covered in the 4 semesters. In the first year, everyone had the same base subjects in finance, marketing, HR, operations, communication, strategic management, international business, etc. In the second year is when you have to make your choice between the specializations in HR, marketing, operations, and finance. I chose finance because my dad also has a finance background. And that is when all the subjects become more focused on your specialization. So when I chose finance, my subjects became valuation of companies, financial ratios, portfolio management, private equity, and venture capital. And we just covered a lot of topics and subjects in the entire 2 years. And honestly, it was the first time I found studies interesting and practical. So, was it worth it? Yes, but not for the reasons you think. Rather than just learning the concepts in the books and in the case studies, I benefited a lot from just the overall experience of MBA. I challenged myself to take up leadership roles. I kept improving my communication skills, my research skills, and my self confidence improved with every presentation I did. I practiced my email writing and management skills by taking up leadership roles and leading various events in college. I grew through every big and small friction I had with the team members in team projects. When no one in the team would take responsibility rather than just giving up, I said, whatever, I'll just do it myself. Then I just did the entire project myself and had to distribute it among members. I developed the habit of wearing formal clothes every day and being presentable. I had to face the bad habit of never being on time. I also met my fiance during my MBA. There's so many reasons apart from just the studies that helped me. It's the entire experience of MBA that helps you grow as a person. Also, the tests aren't so difficult as long as you work hard and try to understand and learn the concepts rather than just passing the test. From the career aspect, MBA colleges have placements, so recruiters come to the college and conduct interviews. If you find a good match, you can start working in your fourth semester itself, along with your studies. Even if you don't, that's fine. You can apply to the companies you want. And just remember the most important thing is how you present yourself. Even if you're the best at any topic like finance or economics, but if you can't explain and present that topic to the recruiter, they won't be able to understand if you know the topic or not. So you need to be able to make the recruiters understand that you're ready to learn and you'll ask questions when required and also you have good moral values. As long as you cover these things, it won't be too difficult to get a job. So if you're stuck wondering whether I should do MBA, which college should I go to, am I too old for this? You don't need to worry as long as you're ready for growth and you see yourself in a better place in the future. But if you're just doing it for the degree, you'd rather do something else. Remember, as long as the why is clear, the how is easy. Drop down in the comment section below any questions you have or any topics you think I should cover. And thank you for watching.